Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your sidebar on Slack. So to do that, simple click your profile on the lower left hand side and go to preferences. Then on the left hand side here, you want to go ahead and click on home. And this is where you actually can customize your sidebar. So you have multiple options here. So for example, if I want to add, for example, on red, I can go ahead and I can add that. And if you look right here, just behind this pop-up box, you can see unread shows up right here. And if I uncheck that, it disappears. Same goes for if I want to remove thread, if I want to remove huddles, if I want to remove draft and send, you will see that all of these are actually removing from the section. So you can add and remove these as you wish, right? Same goes for what you want to show, right? How you want to show stuff, how you want to sort stuff, and so forth. So quite a lot. So this is all that you actually get, guys. You can easily customize your sidebar, and this is actually what you customize. So all of these options here, you can go ahead and customize, choose what you want within the sidebar on this Slack. You can also customize these as well, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So to actually customize these, you want to go ahead and go back to your account as well and go to preferences. On the left hand side, you will see that it shows navigation, and these are the navigations, right? So you can easily go ahead and choose what you want. So as you can see, if you don't want to show activity, if you want to enable activity, all of these options you can add and remove them if you so desire. You can even add tools as well. As you can see, I add tools there, and you can choose how you want the navigation tabs to appear, whether you want it to show in icons only like this, or you want to show icon and text, right? So this is how you can actually do it. But that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.